attributes of Farhan and the personality of our brand are very consistent. He's a very passionate artist, a very passionate individual, which comes across in all his movies.
Well, most importantly, to try and do the best that I possibly can in any field or given any job that I'm doing. And for me, all my associations, be they in film with cast and crew that I work with, be they with the brands that I associate with, you know, that they want to achieve something that is big. They want to reach out to as many people as they can, you know, and really affect the lives of many people. And I think that's a very important thing. I'm so closely associated with them. I do realize that they're present in many countries, you know, so this is now they're coming to India, and I think a lot of people are going to benefit by their presence. I mean, just on basic application, you know, to get a sense of what it's like. I mean, it's got a cooling sensation, which is always nice. Makes it feel fresh regardless of how injured you're feeling. There's a very pleasant fragrance to it, and I also feel that there's a reason why it's number one. You know, I mean, the amount of people who are using it, the amount of people who trust it the world over. It's just something that I would recommend to anyone who really wants to focus on recovery as opposed to relief.
थोड़ी देर पहले ही नया वॉल्टर इमल्जर लगाया था, किसी को पता भी नहीं चला क्योंकि जैसा इसका स्मेल भी नहीं आता। सिर्फ ये नहीं, नया वॉल्टर इमल्जर का कूलिंग इफेक्ट भी अच्छा लगता है। नो जलन एट ऑल। इसे कहते हैं बदन दर्द का पूरा इलाज, विद अ प्लेजेंट स्मेल एंड अ कूलिंग इफेक्ट। सुपर हिट तो होना ही है।
आज सुबह ही कह रही थी कि उसे बदन दर्द है। ना चल सकती थी, ना भाग, और ना ही कूद सकती थी। आज मुझे लगा था मैं आसानी से जीतूंगा।
आ गया दुनिया का नंबर 1 नया वोल्टर एनिमल जेल। साधारण क्रीम या जेल के मुकाबले इसका अनोखा ट्रिपल एक्शन फॉर्मूला त्वचा में तेजी से समाए, गहराई तक जाए और अंदरूनी जलन को कम करे। चौक गए?
दुनिया का नंबर 1 नया वोल्टर एनिमल जेल,
जो करे बदन दर्द का पूरा इलाज।